Hello, welcome all. Today we will discuss some finite difference operators जिनका यूज हमें आगे जाके इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला में करना है, जैसे न्यूटन्स फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला, न्यूटन्स बैकवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला, लाग्रांजेस इंटरपोलेशन फार्मूला एंड सो ऑन. ओके, so for this given n plus 1 points, that is x0, x1, x2 up to xn, which are equally spaced or equidistant. Equidistant means the difference between these 2 points is, suppose h. Difference between these 2 points is h. Difference between this and this is h. Means difference between any 2 consecutive points is same. That is h, suppose. Right? Here x1 minus x0 is equal to h. Means difference of this and this is h. Similarly, x2 minus x1 is equal to h. x3 minus x2 is equal to h. Or generally we can write as xn minus 1 is equal to h. Means difference between any 2 consecutive point is h. Here from this we can write x1 is equal to x0 plus h. Okay. If we add h to this x0, we get x1. x0 plus h is equal to x1 plus h equal to x2 plus h equal to x3 plus h equal to x4 and so on. So here we can write x2 is equal to x1 plus h, but we know x1 is equal to x0 plus h. This is equal to x0 plus h is equal to x0 plus 2h. x2 is equal to x0 plus 2h. Similarly, x3 is equal to x0 plus 3h. x4 is equal to x0 plus 4h. x5 is equal to x0 plus 5h. And in general, we can write xn is equal to x0 plus nh. Okay. x1 is equal to x0 plus h, x2 is equal to x0 plus 2h, x3 is equal to x0 plus 3h, xn is equal to x0 plus nh. Now, corresponding to all these values, the function is defined f of x. Means all these points, the function is defined and function value is given. That is, corresponding to x0, function value is f of x0. Corresponding to x1, function value is f of x1. Corresponding to x2, function value is f of x2. Corresponding to xn, function value is f of xn, which is also called as yn. yn minus 1, y2, y1, y0. Corresponding to x0, function value is y0. Corresponding to x1, function value is y1. Corresponding to x2, function value is y2, and so on. Now, on this we will define some difference operators. That is, first one is shift operator. First one, shift operator. It is denoted as E, capital E, and it is defined as E of f of x0 is equal to f of x0 plus h. F of x0 is equal to y0. That is, E of y0 is equal to x0 plus h means it is x1. F of x1 means it is 1. Means y0 is shifted to y1. This y0 is shifted to y1. Similarly, again y1 is equal to this y1 is shifted to y2. Again y2 is shifted to y2. y2 is shifted to y2. This is the forward shifting operator. This y0 is shifted to y1, y1 is shifted to y2, y2 is shifted to y2. Similarly, we can define backward shifting operator. That is e raised to minus 1 of y1. Means this y1 is shifted to y0. That is backward shifting operator. y0. E raised to minus 1 of y2 is equal to y1. That is, forward shifting operator is shifted to y0 is shifted to y1, y1 is shifted to y2, y2 is shifted to y0, and so on. Backward shifting operator is e raised to minus 1 of, suppose y2 is shifted to y1. E raised to minus 1 of y1 is equal to y0. E e raised to minus 1 of y0 is again it is shifted to in this side. This is about shifting operators denoted as e of f of x0 is equal to f of x0 plus h, that is e of y0 is equal to y. Similarly, backward shifting operator is e raised to minus 1 of y1 is equal to y0. Now next is forward difference operator. Next operator is forward difference operator. It is denoted as like this. Okay. Now, and it is defined as is equal to f of x0 plus h minus f of x0. This f of x0 is y0. x0 plus h is f of x1. F of x1 is y1. Similarly, we can define forward difference operator of y1 is equal to y2 minus y1. Forward difference operator of y0 is equal to y1 minus y0. Preceding term minus this one. Forward difference operator of y1 is equal to y2 minus y1. This forward difference operator of y2 is equal to y3 minus y2. Forward difference operator of y3 is equal to y4 minus y3. Dot dot dot. y2 is equal to y3 minus y2. Dot dot dot. Y minus 1 is equal to yn minus y minus 1. This is forward difference operator of n3. Now this is the first order finite forward difference operator. Similarly, we can define second order forward difference operator. That is del square or forward, second order forward difference operator of y0 is equal to, this can be written as this one. Now we know the formula for this one is y1 minus y0. Okay, so this can be written as this one, but this can be written as by using formula y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 minus this can be written as y1 y0, or y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. This is second order forward difference operator. Delta square y0 is equal to, or second order forward difference operator of y0 is equal to y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Similarly, we can define third order forward difference operator. Similarly, we can define fourth order forward difference operator, and so nth order also. So this is forward difference operator, that is denoted as like this, defined as forward difference operator of f of x0 is equal to f of x0 plus h minus f of x0, or forward difference operator of y0 is equal to y1 minus y0. Similarly, forward difference operator of y1 is equal to y2 minus y1. Forward difference operator of y2 is equal to y3 minus y2. Dot dot dot. Forward difference operator of y1 minus y equal to y minus y minus 1. This is the first order forward difference operator. Similarly, we can define second order forward difference operator like this. This is equal to, or this equal to this one. Now, next operator is backward difference operator. Okay. Next operator is backward difference operator. Backward, and it is denoted as this one. Okay, and it is defined as is equal to difference operator of f of x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x1 minus h. This f of x1 is y1. This is y1 minus f x1 minus h means it is x0. F of x0 is y0. Similarly, we can define dot dot dot. This is backward difference operator of nth term. That is backward difference operator of y is equal to yn minus 1. Similarly, here also we can define, this is the first order backward difference operator. Similarly, here we can define second order backward difference operator also. That is like this. F of suppose x2 and so on. Here also we can define this is equal to f of x2 means y2. Okay, this can be written as y2 minus y by using this formula. Backward difference operator of y2 is equal to y2 minus y1. Here, by distributing this one, y2 minus this one is equal to by using formula this can be written y2 minus y1 minus y1 minus plus y0. This can be written y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. Okay. Delta's backward difference operator of y2 is equal to y2 minus 2y1 plus y2. Similarly, we can define third order backward difference operator. Similarly, we can define fourth order backward difference operator, and so on. So these are the basic finite difference operators which are used in interpolation for you. So in next video we will see what is interpolation and what are the types of interpolation. Okay. Thank you.